So it's time to sing the alphabet. It's a nice flow and a nice rhythm. And I've split it up like this so you can see how we do it. And it goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, although we say Z, and then we sing, now I know the ABC, aren't you very proud of me? And the problems that we get sometimes with the alphabet are the vowel sounds. The vowel sounds are sometimes a problem when we say the alphabet. A, E, that's a problem. I, O, and U. These are the vowel sounds. And then we sometimes have a few problems with some of these sounds. The letter G, and this is the letter J. And in Brazil, because I'm teaching Brazilian people today, the letter H is a problem. And remember the R for Ronaldo. This is not epsilon, it's Y. Just like the word Y. But these are only the names of the letters. The sounds of the letters are very, very different. And that's why we need to learn every word and the pronunciation. And the word that came up today is this one. And it's a good example. Even though this is the letter G, this is G. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then later, when you learn more English, we start to learn how to write the real sounds of the language. I'll just give you one example of this word, gorgeous. It looks like this. G, O, J, S. That's what this word actually sounds like, and this is the International Phonetic Alphabet. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we need to start here learning the names, but then we need to learn how to pronounce all the different words.